The first application is mirage. On hot summer days, the air near the earth becomes very hot and it becomes rarer than the upper layers. Upper layers are denser. So the ray of light from the distant object moves from denser to rarer medium, bent away from the normal. A stage is reached when the angle of incidence becomes greater than the critical angle. The rays are totally reflected. These rays then move up through the layers of increasing refractive index and therefore undergo refraction in a direction opposite to that in the first case. These rays reach the observer's eyes and he sees an inverted image of the object. Second application, brilliance of diamond or sparkling of diamond. Total internal reflection is the main reason for the sparkling of diamonds. The critical angle of incidence of diamond is very low of 24 degree. So, if a light ray enters a diamond, it is very likely to undergo total internal reflection which make the diamond shines. Diamond is cut into many facets and the cuts are different at the top and at the bottom. Here we can see this diamond is cut into many faces. Here we can see what happens when a light enters into the diamond. When light enters the diamond, its speed is greatly reduced and hence refraction can be seen. Different colors has different speeds, so there is a great dispersion due to high refractive index of the diamond. Here we can see the dispersion of light into its different colors. Again, the light will undergo total internal reflection and emerged out one of the faces. Here it shows the outline of the diamond. A single light ray falls on one of the surfaces and it will be refracted and reaches the other surface. N be the normal and this will be the critical angle of incidence. When angle of incidence is more than 24 degree, that is the critical angle of incidence, all light internally reflected and incident on the other surface. There also, when angle of incidence is more than the critical angle, that is 24 degree, again the light internally reflected. Finally, it emerges out any one of the surface of diamond. And we know that diamond is cut into many faces. These faces of diamond allows as much as light, that is incident light, to enter the diamond at an angle more than the critical angle and undergoes internal reflections multiple number of times. Hence, we can see the sparkling of diamond. Next application, optical fibers. An optical fiber is a very thin fiber made of glass or plastic having thickness of about 10 raised to minus 4 meter. It consists of core and protective cladding. Cladding that reflects light back into the core and core is the inner layer through which light pulses travel. Because of small radius of fiber, light going into it makes a glancing incidence on the wall. Here the figure shows that a light refracted and incident on the inner surface of the optical fiber and undergoes total internal reflection. In this way, it suffers multiple total internal reflections and finally it comes out of the fiber. Here the cladding is made up of glass with a less refractive index than the core. Core is made up of higher refractive index and it is mainly made up of quartz. And it is the denser medium and the cladding is the rarer medium. So, when a ray of light after the refraction strikes on the inner surface of the core and if the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle of incidence, it suffers total internal reflection. In this way, again it strikes on the other surface and suffers total internal reflection and finally it comes out of the other end of the optical fiber.